It's only 8:28 a.m. on a Saturday. Open na yung mga Starbucks. Meron na rin Coffee Bean dito. First time namin to orderin, pero ito na to yung namin before. Parang Oreo. Kasi may yung logo ng Oreo. Hey goers! It's me, Cam. And for this vlog, let's explore Festival Mall. And try natin yung iba-iba nilang mga restaurants. It's hot but not the usual March weather where super init na. Amihan season pa rin naman after all. Since maaga pa, no, nag-ikot tayo. We're currently here sa may landmark entrance. Ayan. So tara, maglakad tayo. It's only 8:32 a.m. on a Saturday. So sarado pa yung mall. Pag 8 a.m. dito guys, open na yung mga Starbucks. And then, meron na rin Coffee Bean dito. So, if may lakad kayo, let's say, from the nearby Asian Hospital or dun sa Precision Clinic, and it's still early and you're waiting for the mall to open, meron kayong options, no? Ay, yung mga nonos, Italianis, I think they're still closed. But, for the others, yan, mga Starbucks, open na sila. So, meron naman kayong choices pag kakain ng breakfast while waiting for the mall to open. Pasok muna tayong Coffee Bean and Tea Leaf. Okay lang. Okay, so it's 9:51. Pero sarado pa kasi yung mall. So, dito muna tayo sa Coffee Bean and Tea Leaf. And mag-mini breakfast lang tayo. So, we ordered yung pan o chocolate and 1 cappuccino. Since maaga pa, dito muna tayo sa Coffee Bean and Tea Leaf. So, it's one of the shops na open as early as 7 maybe. Although mga 8 minutes na lang, open na yung mall. Pero mag-quick breakfast lang tayo dito. So we ordered pan o chocolate and cappuccino. So quick breakfast lang muna tayo. Ayan, medyo nasa chocolate part. Ayan. Nalasahan ko na yung chocolate na part. So, it's what we expect naman sa hot chocolate. Masarap siya. I think first time ko tikman yung chocolate na coffee bean. So, it's okay sa breakfast option kapag medyo light lang. Kahit ito, hati lang kami ng husband ko, pero okay naman. Tsaka may coffee naman din kami. Sige, kain lang kami, goers. There's a volunteer group dito, Cats of Festival Mall, and they feed community cats. Hello! Time check, 11:33 na ng umaga. So, let's eat dito sa Manam. Their menu comes with breakfast options, snacks, may classics and those with a twist. And meron din silang sisig, the ultimate comfort food. And then these are the crowd favorites. So again, meron sila ng mga classics and then those with a twist like itong watermelon sinigang. And then we have the main course for lunch and dinner. So yung mga meat, seafood, vegetables, kanin, and there's this crispy asim sarap tawilis that comes with 3 sizes. I like it when they provide photos of the dishes, no? Para mas nakikita natin yung itsura ng ulam. I think orderin ko siguro yung crispy beef tajang na small. So, 460 pesos. Then, si husband, ang order niya is sizzling corned beef belly kansi. So, ano naman siya? 325 pesos. Then, for drinks, hati lang din kami for the coconut shake. 205 pesos. Meron din naman dito mga rice. Siguro garlic rice orderin namin na medium para dalawa na kami. 170 pesos. Time check, 11:42 a.m. Tingnan natin kung gaano katagal yung serving. Usually, pag kumakain kami sa Manam, mga mabilis naman, mga 15 to 20 minutes. So, I would assume na ganun lang din. Saka maaga pa naman, wala pa masyadong waiting sa labas. So, while waiting for our order, siguro, fun facts lang about Festival Mall for those people na hindi taga-South or hindi medyo nadadayo dito. So, Festival Mall is actually one of the largest malls in the Philippines. I think pang 5th mall siya. And meron siyang dalawang indoor amusement parks, yung Pixie Forest and Excite. And it's been operating since, I think, 1990s. So, nung bata ako, pag napupunta kami dito, andun na si Pixie Forest, Excite. So, meron siyang mga indoor roller coaster. Pero for this vlog, we're focusing on parang food trip, kung ano yung pwede nating makain. So, kanina we started mga 9 o'clock or mga 8 o'clock. Lumakad tayo pa landmark area. Then, kumain muna tayo sa Coffee Bean for a late breakfast. Actually, magta 10 o'clock na rin yun. So, ngayon, magla-lunch na tayo. And, yeah, hintayin na lang natin yung order. Yung usual na in-order namin dito, yung watermelon sinigang. So, this time, try natin yung iba nilang food. I'm not sure if it's manam or manam. Pero it came from the word malinamnam, which means savory and delicious. So, dun siya galing. Hello, goers! So, dumating na yung coconut shake, yung beef tajang, and yung garlic rice. So, waiting na lang tayo dun sa kansi. So, it's currently 12:02 and nakailang minutes na ba yung timer natin. So, 19 minutes na. Ay. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah. So, dumating na din yung kansi. Corned beef. Belly kansi. So, let's try. So, First time namin to orderin, pero ito na try namin before. Medyo mainit siya. Mainit. Sige, so kain na tayo. Okay, let's eat. Consistent naman sila sa 20-minute serving time. Yun nga lang medyo maingay dito. So, kung kakain kayo dito on a business meeting, baka hindi siya ideal. Kasi medyo loud siya. Siguro, if you're going to eat casually with friends, with family, okay lang. Kasi masarap naman yung food nila. But, maliit lang din kasi yung area, so maingay talaga. Tabi-tabi yung mga upuan. Masarap siya, medyo maasim. Tapos, lagi tayong kakain ng gulay. Ideally nga, dapat yung meal natin, 1/2 ng plato yung gulay or prutas kasi fiber, mahalaga yung fiber. So sabi ni husband, mas bet pa din niya yung watermelon sinigang. Siguro ako din. Mas bet ko din siya, yung watermelon sinigang. Pero masarap din to. Pero tinry lang natin para maiba naman. Kain tayo! Higop ulit tayo nitong kansi. Pag sinabi kasing kansi, yung naalala ko yung Bacolod na kansi. Tikman na natin tong beef tajang. Parang ang hirap lang hiwain. Yung presentation nila dati parang hindi ganito.
Parang nakasabog ba?
Oo, dati nakasabog siya tsaka smaller, parang nakahiwa na siya into smaller bits. Ngayon ang laki pero baka mali lang yung paghiwa ko. Pero medyo nahirapan akong hiwain. Tingnan natin kung same pa din yung lasa. Crispy. Yeah, mas gusto pa rin namin tong crispy beef tajang compared dun sa corned beef kansi. Kasi parang mas masarap pa rin talaga yung watermelon sinigang nila.
Ito.
Oo. Tsaka hindi rin kasi ako fan ng malapot na sabaw. Gusto tayo kumain. So, ang total bill natin is 1,248 pesos. So, we ordered crispy beef, tajang, corned beef, belly kansi, medium garlic rice, and coconut shake. Tapos, nag-take out kami. Hindi namin naubos yung garlic rice, tsaka tajang. So, tinake out namin. Dinner namin mamaya. Okay, so tapos na tayo kumain kay Manam. Dain ng pila. Marami talagang tao lagi kay Manam, especially rush hour since, it's 12:36. So, peak lunch time. Okay? So, tayo kakain next.
They now have Bebang here in Festival Mall. I think they opened in May last year.
Hey goers, time check. It's 2:11 in the afternoon. So, dito tayo kay Bebang. And we're thinking na orderin yung cookie crumble. Yun. It's 188 pesos. Hati lang kami. Medyo mahaba lang yung pila. 15 to 20 minutes daw yung order natin. So, ngayon mga nasa 1 minute pa lang naman. Marami lang tao kay Bebang. Dito siya sa gitna ng festival and landmark. So, doon banda yung landmark. Then dito yung papuntang festival entrance. So, sa gitna lang siya. Dito lang siya sa labas. Meron ding mga upuan doon. Banda doon. Kaso, konti lang din yung seats. So, baka dito na lang kami sa may steps doon banda. Mahangin today. So, while waiting for our halo-halo order, they have different flavors to choose from. I think yung pinaka-classic is yung presidential. I think this is the closest to our usual halo-halo. Then they also have mango graham caramel, so corny, so baka parang mais con yelo. Banana cinnamon, strawberry, special, cookie crumble. Ito yung order natin. Buko fruit, Halukay ube, melon, blueberry, matcha, buko pandan, mango classic, and yeah, corn. So, yeah, currently, nakailang minutes na tayo. I think mga 11 minutes na. So, sana makuha na rin natin yung order natin. Yay! So, na-serve siya in tasakto 20 minutes. So, they're true to their estimate na 15 to 20 minutes serving time. Okay, so dito na tayo siguro kain. Hanap tayo ng spot. Medyo marami ring tao kasi it's a Saturday and parang rush hour. Well, hindi naman rush hour pero it's currently 2:35 p.m. So, medyo expected naman na maraming talagang tao. Let's pick a spot so we can enjoy our dessert. Okay. So, dito tayo. It's a chill afternoon. This is our third food trip for the day. So, kanina, yung una, coffee bean and tea leaf tayo. We ordered yung chocolate and cappuccino. And then, we went to Manam for lunch. Tapos ngayon, enjoy natin yung ating dessert, si Bebang. Ayan. Ito si Bebang. Tapos yun yung toppings niya. Sige, careful ka naman. Medyo puno. Talaga meron pala siya cookies on top. So, sabi, itong cookie crumble is made up of frozen milk, crushed Oreo, chocolate syrup, vanilla jelly, and whole cookie. So, baka yan yung whole cookie. Hinati nila into two. And a crystal ball. Ano yung crystal ball?
Crystal ball.
Yeah, pinakalagay eh. Frozen milk, crushed Oreo, chocolate syrup, vanilla jelly, whole cookie, and crystal ball. Sige. Tikman natin si Beba. Yung ice niya parang milk, no? Hindi siya talaga ice. Creamy siya. No?
Parang hindi yung puko.
Namaya, kapag halo natin, ubusin lang natin yung medyo nasa taas. Wala sila ibang sizes eh. Ito lang, no? So, pwede na kayo mag-share. I think, itong isang cup is already good for 2 people or pwede pang 3. If more on tikim-tikim lang, nagtitipid kayo. Okay na siya kasi siksik naman eh. Hello goers! We just finished our Bebang halo-halo. And okay naman yung cookie crumble pero hindi lang siguro kami sanay on the combination of yung chocolatiness, yung mga chocolate bits, and yung mga sago, nata, or kung ano mang mga jelly stuff. Pero I think okay lang naman. Hindi na siguro namin cup of tea. So I think that ends our vlog for today. So sana nag-enjoy kayo sa ating food trip dito sa Festival Mall. Maybe we can do a series about this featuring yung mga restaurants, mga pastry shops, or even yung mga establishments or shops dito sa Festival Mall. This is actually my first vlog. So, pagpasensyahan nyo na ako medyo labo-labo. So, medyo nagpa-practice ako kasi in the future, we will do travel vlogs and doon natin papakita ko yung iba-ibang destinations natin, local or international. So, para i-share ko sa inyo yung experiences ko during those trips and para makatulong din sa inyo in case you plan to visit those places na pupuntahan natin in our future vlogs. And as a fur mom, i-explore din natin yung mga pet-friendly places. So yeah, I think yun lang. If nagustuhan nyo itong video, please like and we'll see you on the next one. Bye!